Hello everyone. In this video we'll do the unboxing of BaseLynx Kit Pro module charging station with dual port charger. I bought this from Costco. It was at sale for $67. Let's look around the box. So let's see what's included in the box. It says wireless charging pad, magnetic charger for Apple Watch, vertical charging station, end cap charger, and then we got cables as well. We got 1 feet USB-C to lightning, USB-A to lightning, and then 5 feet AC adapter. So that's what in there. Let's look around the box on the back side. So as you can see, it's made for iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch. I'm not going to read everything. I'm going to leave the box here for a while, and then you can pause the video and check. Let's get started with the unboxing. So we just open this. And get rid of this. And let's see what's in the box. All right, let's open the box. Packing looks nice, so let's open it. As you can see, it's packed very well. Here's the charging station and the different modules. And as you can see, let's see what else in the box. Got some manuals, I think. Yeah, as you can see, there's some manuals in here. I'll look at those later. Let's see what's inside this box. Charging cables, so braided cables, and that's the power cable. And there's some manuals in the box as well, as you can see. Let's put them aside. We'll look at them if we need to. And let's put the cables aside to this side as well, and pull this out of the box. And get the base out and put the box aside. There's nothing else in the box. Let's get this out of the box as well. And put this aside, and here it is. So let's see, how does it fit? I think it fits like this. So you can put this like this. This is pretty nice. The feel of this is very nice. This is the phone charger, wireless charging, and that is for Apple Watch. And let's look at the back. As you can see, these are the grips so that it doesn't slip, and it supports 100 to 240 volts as it's written over there. And then you can put different devices here if you want, your phone, your tablets. And you can see there's USB-C, USB-A, and this is where your power plugs in. And that's about it. And if you want to remove this, you can just pull it aside, and that moves away. And I don't know if this thing pulls out as well. It looks like yes. So that's how it pulls it out. That's why it's modular. I think each module pulls out. There we go. And then you have USB ports here and USB-C ports here. And as you can see, this cable can fit any of these ones. You can use them independently if you want to. And if you want them to plug them in together and make one base, it becomes one single charger, big charger, where you can charge all your devices together. And like this, that's a big one, but it's pretty cool, so that you can charge multiple devices. You can probably put it in a central location where everyone can charge their own devices and take them, instead of putting it in every single room. But the price was very good. Like I said, it was only for $67.97. So I thought, let me buy it and give it a shot. And that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow this channel so that I can create more videos like this. And please comment in the comment section below and see if you have any ideas, or if you have any improvement ideas, or if you have any other thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.